Welcome back, everybody, to another fun gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the SOTO Triflex stand. Now this is designed for the SOTO Windmaster, but it can also be used on a Camping Moon XD2F. This stove, which has become kind of my go-to lightweight stove to have. So I decided to pick one up. Now, let's get through some specs here before we get into it. Online, you can shop around. Price for this ranges anywhere from 10 bucks to 20 bucks. Alright, it is stainless steel construction. Give you a look here at the box. Its list weight is 3 ounce or 7 grams. Dimensions on this are, when it's stowed like it is now, it's collapsed down, it's kind of small, is 3.7 by 0.4 by 1 inch or 94 by 10 by 33 millimeter. When it's on the stove, it's deployed, it's 3.7 by 1.4 by 0.4 of an inch, which is pretty close to the original dimensions, just a little bit bigger. 94 by 33 by 10 millimeter on the stove. Give you a look here at the back. And that's pretty much it. So let's get it out here and take a very closer look on it. Now the reason I'm interested in this, and you can see here there's a little clip. See that little clip? And that's how it folds down almost flat. And there it is unfolded. And if we take the 4-point, this is great for big pots. But let's say you're not rocking a big pot, you're running a smaller pot, and you want to kind of cut down your weight a little bit. That's where this comes in. And this goes on just like this. Are you ready? This is so, whoop, that's it. Pops right on. To take it off, just kind of flex it off. Then when you got it off, to fold it up, just bring it back over and fold it. Pretty simple. Let's go ahead and check the weight on it. We have the scale set up here to grams. Listed weight is 7 grams. Let's see what it says. Oh wow, it's coming in under the listed weight at 6 grams or 1/4 ounce. Check that again. Yep, 1/4 ounce. Now it's reading 7 grams. So it is right in there at the listed weight. Pretty good. One of the things I wanted to check is, this is the original 4-way type stand on the Camping Moon stove. And if you measure it here, you'll see, I don't know if you can see that, but it looks exactly 3/8. Or in metric, about 8 or 9 millimeters. Now when we put the other stove stand on here, and we measure to see what the offset is, it looks to me like it's exactly 8 millimeters or 5/16. Exactly. So this stand actually brings your cup a little closer to the burner. Now I wonder if that's going to make a difference in boil time. Let's explore that. Alright, we have 2 cups of water here in our Wide C cook kit. This is the one with the heat exchanger built into it. Very high efficiency. We have the original stand here on the Camping Moon stove, and we're going to see how quickly, with it full out, we can bring these 2 cups of water to a boil. Those 2 cups are right at room temperature. And here we go. got a boil at 1 minute 7 seconds. Turn that all the way off. Let me go dump this hot water, let everything cool down. We're going to put the SOTO Triflex on here and try the same test to see if we get a little bit faster boil time or not. All right, we have 2 cups of water here. These are US cups. That's about 450 milliliters, just shy of half a liter. We have the SOTO Triflex on the Camping Mood XD2F. And we're going to see if that few millimeter of difference in the pot height makes a difference in the boil time. This is the second time I've had to shoot this because right in the middle of the second boil test, my battery died. So here we go again. Second time's a charm, right? All right, full on. And we got a full boil. Only a second difference here in the time. Turn that off. So was there a difference? Yeah, but it was very small. You know, it's almost unmeasurable. So let's get this cleaned up. I'll give you my final thoughts. Here's the Triflex after several burns. As you can see, the parts that clip over the burner, yeah, it gets a little discolored. But being stainless steel, this is going to last a very long time. That's pretty compact. So, what do I think of the SOTO Triflex? I think it's great if you're not rocking a large pot or frying pan. Now, I don't always go out with a frying pan. A lot of times, it's just with a pot or a cup like this. Unless I got certain meals planned, and then I might take a larger pot or a frying pan. But for a lot of people that are ultralight hikers, that are just rehydrating meals, you know, doing stuff like that, this is perfect to save a little weight. You know, versus this, even when this is, you know, folded down, it's a lot heavier than this, you know, and it's more compact. And of course, we have a cat visiting. Yes, Miss Kira, I know you need your screen time. All right, come on. So for me, this is just another tool in the toolbox. When I'm going out with just a pot like this or a cup and I'm doing the ultralight thing, I'm going to pack this out and leave this at home. So, is it right for you? Well, you're going to have to decide if it fits your needs. And that's all I got to say about the SOTO Triflex. Buy it, don't buy it. I put a link in the description to the Amazon page. That is not the best price out there. There are other places that have it cheaper. But a lot of those other places, unless you order a certain dollar amount, you won't get free shipping. So consider that. I will catch you all later on out in those woods over there. And Miss Kira says, like and subscribe. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? Oh, now you're shy. All right. Thank you for watching, and everybody have a great day.